And today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So first, just let's try to unlock the device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner to power key button on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and let's just try a couple of tries to unlock the device, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. We just can unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the really good result, and I just simply touch the power key. I'm not pressing it, you can see that. So just one more time. So that's the fingerprint scanner works here correct. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method. For example, if you don't like the PIN codes or passcodes, but be careful and don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than passcodes or PIN codes unlock method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.